In this speedy review video, we're going to talk about finding the missing side of a right triangle. And it's going to help you with skill 4G. All right, so keep in mind the mnemonic SOHCAHTOA tells you the trigonometric function sine, cosine, tangent, and which sides of the right triangle, opposite hypotenuse, opposite adjacent, that they're related to. When trying to find a missing side, you're going to use the original trig functions. All right, so if I look at this example, I have my angle 70 degrees, and the hypotenuse I don't know anything about. The x I want is opposite. The 24 is adjacent. So if I have opposite and adjacent, I'm going to use tangent to create my equation. So tangent of the angle always goes in the parentheses. So tangent of the angle is opposite over adjacent, x over 24. I want to get this x by itself, so I need to get rid of this 24. It's on the bottom of a fraction, so I multiply both sides by 24. These are going to cancel out and just give me x. And this is just, now I have x by itself, this is just something I can put in a calculator and get my answer, 65.94. In this problem, I have my angle here. The side I know is opposite. The side I want is hypotenuse. So which one uses opposite and hypotenuse, O and H? That's sine. So again, the angle goes with sine, and it's opposite over hypotenuse. This one's a little bit different than the last one. I want to get this x by itself. So I need to get it out of the denominator, multiplying both sides by x, and those are going to cancel out again. All right, so now on the right-hand side, I have 8.8. I need to get this x by itself, so I need to get rid of sine of 33. Right now, they're being multiplied, so I divide both sides by sine of 33. This is now x all by itself. I can put this in a calculator and get my answer, 16.16. All right, so that's how you find the missing side of a right triangle.